An enterprise branch firewall is configured for NAT. As shown in the figure, USG_B is the NAT gateway. In order to establish an IPsec VPN to USG_B, you need to configure what on USG_B? Choose two answers. Image. Option A. Configure a NAT policy, citing the rule to allow the network segment source and destination IP addresses for the ACL. Option B. Configuration the IP-peer, use name authentication, and remote address of the interface address on USGA. Option C. Configure a NAT policy, where there is first to deny IPsec rule within the enterprise network to protect the data flow from within the headquarters of the network, and then permit the enterprise network to the internet network data stream. Option D. Configure a IPsec policy template, citing the IP-peer. The correct answer is option B, C. Shown below is an IPsec standby scenario, with main link A and backup link. Option B. Assuming that on link B the next hop IP address is, and we want to ensure that the primary and redundant backup link via IP link is configured. Image. Which of the following is the correct static route configuration from the headquarters to the branch office? A. USG, IP route static 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.10.10.1.2 USG, IP route static 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.10.10.1.3. B. USG, IP route static 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.10.10.1.2 IP link 1 USG, IP route static 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.10.10.1.3 IP link 2. Option A. USG, IP route static 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.10.10.1.2 track IP link 1 USG, IP route static 0.0.0.0.0.0.10.10.1.3 preference 70 track IP link 2. Option B. USG, IP route static 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.10.10.1.2 preference 70 track IP link 1 USG, IP route static 0.0.0.0.0.0.10.10.1.3 track IP link 2. The correct answer is option C. An SSL VPN user authenticates, has enabled network expansion on the PC, and has been assigned an IP addresses. However, the user cannot access resources within the internal network server. Which of the following are possible reasons for this? Choose 3. Option A. Configuration error in the routing client mode configuration. Option B. User access is limited. Option C. The network server is unreachable. Option D. The PC's physical interface and assigned VPN addresses overlap. The correct answer is option A, B, C. SSL VPN authentication is successful, and with the use of the file sharing feature, you can view the directories and files, but you cannot upload, delete, or rename files. What are possible reasons? Choose 2 answers. Option A. If the file server for NFS, the user's UID and GIT attribute does not allow users to upload, delete or rename the file operation. Option B. If the type of file server for SMB, the user currently logged on to the file share resource has only read permission and no write access. Option C. The SSL firewall configuration file sharing feature allows only viewing. Option D. Some TCP connections between the gateway and the virtual file server are blocked by the firewall. The correct answer is option A, B.